morning, Mommies in different parts of the world. Hello, Amelie. Good morning. So today, she's very happy. So today's vlog, we're going to share to you a sample of the learning binder that we have created specifically designed for toddlers. She's really happy. For toddlers and preschoolers. So introducing our toddler learning binders. Pandemic time has inspired us to do this learning binder. So during pandemic, Mommies, it has been so difficult for parents how to keep their little ones engaged in different learning activities. That is why some children were stuck in playing gadgets, which is a very detrimental effect in their overall well-being and learning development. So this learning binder, designed for toddlers and preschoolers, includes all the basic topics, basic concepts, different lessons that young learners are expected to learn in their age. And I'm so glad that my husband is a good designer and we work hand in hand together to accomplish this kind of product. We started making this one since 2020 and we help lots of homeschooling moms and children during the past years. And I'm so glad to introduce to you and share to you the process, at the same time the samples of our learning binders. Enjoy watching! Part Momshi is the alphabets. So as you have seen here, alphabets are written in a bigger symbol to accommodate the kind of grasp that your little ones have. So as we all know that 2 to 4 years old, they usually have the pincer or the palmar grasp. That is why it is very important to provide your little ones with a thick marker or thick pencil while they do the tracing. And every page is very colorful to attract the attention and interest of your learners. So this is Easy Wipe. Ikat sa lumal. Their names. So for example, my name is Amelie. So there's a blue line on top and below, and red broken lines in the middle, so they can follow the proper alphabet formation. Okay, where is Grandpa? So they have to find where is Grandpa and stick it in the allotted box. Where is Grandma? Grandma. This is Grandma. Where is dad? So you're gonna find where is dad. Where is mom? Where is mom? Here. You're gonna find where is mom. Here's mom. Take it. Where is sister? Sister. Here is sister. Where is brother? Very meaningful for the learner. It is because they're going to find a picture of each family member and they're going to stick it in this piece of laminate sheet and then stick it on the sheet. For example, they're going to stick grandma, grandpa, daddy, mommy, sister, brother, baby. Your little one to identify each sea animal and then ask them to match it with their shadow. Here, stingray. What's a stingray? Shark. Seal. Jellyfish. Crab. Seahorse. Dolphins. And starfish. Where can they find this famous building of basic infrastructure? So here, the tower in Malaysia. This is just simple. Mansion, big house. This one, virtually like 14 units. This one, famous building in Madrid. Famous hotel. This one in London. This one is one in London. There's different port animals. These are wild. These are all there. And you can see here, tiger ass here. Before and this matching the shadow tiger. And here, the
Wala lang yung kainin na. Okay, kapag siya sa naman. Sige. Ayun po yun. Wala. I-mute ko lang ito.
Kuan. Food.
Go. Lagi.